Hello, myself Shubhada Ditzolkar. I am teaching in Bhumika High School, Pariye Sattari. Being a school situated in a remote area, the teaching method for students is different and we follow these techniques. But the same thing, when it is revised by someone else, it becomes more appealing. So I would like to thank Ravindra Bhavan and eLearning Academy for arranging this workshop 3-day crash course, because it was a great help to our students. The technique or the style of teaching of Sir Atmaram sir is very pleasing. I myself, as a teacher, I subscribe his channel. I am following his teachings when in class. But the students are now directly getting this approach. So this is very much appealing to the students. When I asked students yesterday, the students were very happy and they have understood the topics they dealt with. But the 3-day is the time limit is very less, I feel. So it should be extended to some 4-5 days. But now just 15 days are left for exam, and this is the right time when the course is arranged by Ravindra Bhavan. So I would like to thank Ravindra Bhavan, thanks sir, for giving time to our students and training them very well. For hope this course will help the students and they will excel in the exam. Thank you.
हांव श्रीमती विद्यालय शिकयता. म्हजें नांव चित्रा परांजपे. हांव जवळ जवळ 10 वर्सां वयर SSC मॅथ्स शिकयता. आत्माराम सरान खूब बरो प्रोजेक्ट करून भुरग्यांक खुबशी म्हायती दिली आनी ताजे बरोबरूय आमच्याय नॉलेजीन भितर खुबसो फरक पडलो आनी भुरग्यांक शॉर्टकट मेथडीन कशें शिकोवपाचें हें तांणी एक्सप्लेन केलें. कित्याक चडशे जे हाज्यो नीट म्हळ्यार JEE एग्जाम्स आसता थंय भुरग्यांनी टायम वेस्ट जावंक जायना म्हणून शॉर्टकट मेथड वापरून आन्सर कशें मेळोवपाचें हें तांणी खूब बरे भशेन क्लियर भुरग्यांक करून दिलें. त्या बद्दल हांव तांचे आभारी आसा. तशेंच आमच्या स्कुलाच्या वतीन हांव तांकां देव बरें करूं म्हणटा.
म्हजें नांव सर्वेश चंद्रकांत तिळवे. हांव नवदुर्गा हायस्कूल पाळये हांगासर मॅथमॅटिक्स शिकयता. आयचो जो 3 दिसाचो कोर्स क्रॅश कोर्स जो ऑर्गनायज केला, खरोच भुरग्यांक हेची गरज आसली. जी नवीन पद्दती जाल्या धावे खातीर MCQ पॅटर्न जो जाला तें मातशें भुरग्यां खातीर डिफिकल्ट वयतालें. आनी जो क्रॅश कोर्स आमचे मुख्यमंत्री जे आसा डॉ. प्रमोद सावंत हेंच्यांनी जे ऑर्गनायज केला, खरेंच तेंची तोखणाय करपा सारकी आसा. कित्याक भुरग्यांक हेची अत्यंत गरज आशिल्ली ती तेंच्यांनी सोय अशी करून दिल्या. आनी तेच्या बरोबरच हांव जे सर आसा जे आमकां रिसोर्स पर्सन म्हणून ह्या क्रॅश कोर्साक जे लागले, गांवकर सर हेंचे सुद्दां मनापकाळ आसून थँक्यू म्हणटा. तेंच्यांनी आपल्या भितर जी ज्ञान आसा तें सगळें भुरग्यांक दिल्लें आसा, ट्रिक्स दिल्लेले आसा कशें हें MCQ बेगींतल्या बेगीन सोडोवपाचें आनी तेची उत्तरां काडपाची हें तेंच्यांनी बऱ्यापैकी ह्या 2 दिसां भितर सांगलें. आनी फाल्यांचो एक दीस आसा हें तांकां मेळटलें ज्ञान. भुरगे हें सगळें जें दिलां तें भुरगे येणाऱ्या एग्जामीक निश्चित उपयोग करतले अशें म्हाका दिसता. धन्यवाद.
Myself, Venkulathar. I'm teaching Srimati High School, Belgium. I'm teaching mathematics for standard 10. First of all, I would like to say thanks to Atmaram sir, who has conducted this workshop, 3 days workshop in maths and science. He has prepared our students to answer the MCQ exam, which they are going to answer in the next month. Sir has systematically explained all the concepts in maths and also in science. Students have now gained the confidence and they will definitely score good marks in the next board exam. This crash course has also helped teacher a lot, because sir has also guided the teachers also. So teachers now can focus on the important topics and help the students to score good marks. Thank you.
Hello, I am Dilip Sound. I am from Bhumika High School, Pari. the workshop which is organized for the students today, it was a very good one in the sense that it was very informative in the sense Mr. Atmaram Gaonkar, who was there, he had given different information regarding the different categories of the questions that are coming, because maths is a difficult. It is supposed to be for most of the students in the sense that when they were given the categories, different categories, students will understand it, and that concept will help them solve many problems, and the approach of the child towards the mathematics subject will be different, because many students take it as very difficult subject. So our students who are there a little bit in the interiors, they will be facing many problems in mathematics. So those problems in the different approach they will be solved. So that concept, many concepts were cleared, like you can say making the mind map, making the high-by technique, then writing the formulas and putting it on the walls. So that will help them and give them a boost. Although it is a very very near to the exams. So if that thing is taken care of, it was very nice one and very informative for our students.
Hi, I am Ravindra Naik from Gurudas Big House Memorial High School. The 2 days workshop which has been started yesterday is really very helpful for students, as from last year the pattern of the exam has been changed from theory to MCQ. Especially students find it difficult to answer the maths paper, since they have to answer both theory part as well as the objective, so they don't know the tricks, and this workshop has really helped the student to know the tricks and the shortcut behind the problem, means how to do it quickly, especially in the trigonometry, and all the formulas that sir has given, and the objectives that has solved by sir, and the material that is sent by sir is really appreciable, and that will definitely help the student to improve their score.